Yep, you just have to keep it's looking for you to.
I just can show the viewers. It's a Huawei Mate 10 Pro. It's brand new here, but there you can see the fingerprint sensor. So this hasn't a fingerprint sensor. It's a little bit.
Yeah, that's the point because currently more and more customers use the full screen display. Not any area can put the fingerprint button. And some of the customers have some of the user experiences when the button put in the bag. Yeah, so if you can just integrate it with the display, it's very natural, fast, and also
once it's ready.
Yeah. Cool. Could you be so kind and take a picture of me while I'm moving?
You can just turn the phone off.
No, picture?
Just a picture. So with this bag maybe, so then it's Vivo in the back. And I just can show the processor and
oh, nice.
Can you?
That's so cool.
Yeah, sure.
How we?
So you can imagine next year, we actually have this